Hello! Today, we will continue to share the maintenance of Phalaenopsis. Let's take a look at this pot of Phalaenopsis. A change in 2 months. Let's see how he transforms beautifully. Below, please. The protagonist of today's video is this Phalaenopsis. It's not in good condition. The leaves, the roots, they're less healthy. First, clean up. Be sure to trim the roots with planting materials. After cleaning up, we rinsed it off with water. Here's our old acquaintance, which is rice. Take 2 spoonfuls of rice. Add 500 milliliters of water. Prepare a few more cloves of garlic. Mash garlic into mud. Add the garlic paste to the rice washing water just now. Then filter this water. You can use this water to wipe Phalaenopsis. Soak the root in this water for half an hour. Next, find a 5-liter plastic bottle. Do a simple processing. We have shared this before. Just make a big opening from each side. It is recommended that you use a computer iron to open the opening. Not easy to hurt hands. Not easy to hurt plants. We did an outreach on the underside of the opening. This is to hold back the plants below. On the bottom side and bottom of the bottle, make more air and water holes. You can put some broken foam at the bottom of the bottle. Use tree bark on top of the foam. Let's take a look at his current state first. The leaves are all drooping, and this one is smaller. There are 4 big leaves and 1 small leaf in total. 5 pieces in total. The bark here is relatively dry. The first time, water it well. Put it in a bright scattered light, ventilated location for maintenance. Now look at 2 months later. His state has changed a lot. The biggest change is in one of the root systems. Flourish. It can be said that it has grown countless heart roots. And look at the leaves. The same 5 leaves. It's just that the smallest leaf has grown a lot, and the old leaf is more energetic. It has a pedicel. There are 2 pedicels. It can be said that this effect is better. Obvious. That's all I have to share with you today. If you like our videos, welcome to follow, forward, like, and comment. See you in the next video.